Today I am building a Tau drone. I will start off by gluing these two slightly curved pieces of wood together. This will be part of the main body. To finish up the body, I'm going to put a little tiny Lego wheel on the very bottom. Imagine this part being the anti-gravity engine. Next is the antenna. It will be made of a chunk of foam board cut at an angle so that it sits on the top of the body at an angle. Attach it with hot glue or super glue. I'm going to use some toothpicks and make them into cannons. For the first cannon, I will glue two toothpick segments together to make a double-barreled gun. You can also see I've added a little tiny chunk of foam. This is going to be the little light. I'm not going to go into how to paint this because I'm guessing that if you're making a Tau drone, you already know how to paint Tau. Or at least that's what I'm saying. Really, it's because I'm way behind schedule. That will finish up our Tau drone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like and subscribe.